Namaste and welcome to the Day to Day Hindi through English series. So this series is intended for those who are not native speaker of Hindi and living abroad or in India. So this series will be a complete guide for those who wants to learn day to day or conversational Hindi through English. If you have any doubt regarding this series, regarding this lesson, you can ask me in comment box. Also, I am a certified and professional language tutor on various online platforms. So, if you want one on one language classes for Hindi or Sanskrit, you can contact me directly on my Skype address or you can mail me on my Gmail address. All the details are given in description box below. So, let's start.
So this is our first lesson in day-to-day Hindi. Here we will learn how to meet and greet. When you meet someone or when you say good morning, good night, good afternoon, good evening, thank you and all. So these things we will learn here. But before starting that, first I just want to tell you about personal pronoun. Singular, plural, okay, so that you can easily understand the chapter. So first one is I am. I am is मैं हूँ. I is मैं, am is हूँ. मैं हूँ. We are. We हम, are हैं. Together हम हैं. Then you are. तू है, तुम हो, आप हैं. You are have three meanings. तू है, तुम हो, आप हैं. Later on I will tell you the difference. You are. आप हैं. You आप are हैं. So together आप हैं. He is, she is, it is, this is. All these means यह है, यह है. These are, they are means ये हैं, plural, ये हैं, यह है and ये हैं. Then he is, again she is, it is, that is. वह है, वह है. Here you might think that he is means यह है and he is also means वह है. So this is about far and near. When the person whom you are talking about that is near, then you will say यह है, and when the person is far, then you will say वह है. Later on we will differentiate these things with examples. So don't worry if you are not understanding this right now. Just have a look and later on I'll explain everything. Now those are, they are, both means वे हैं, वे हैं. So now we will see meet and greet. How to meet people, how to greet them when you meet them. So hello in English hello is called in Hindi namaste, namaste. Good morning is called suprabhat, suprabhat. Good night is called Shubh Ratri. Good evening is called Shubh Sandhya. Thank you is called Dhanyavad, sometimes Shukriya as well. You can use either. Then when you say thank you very much, so very much, thank you very much, it is Bahut Bahut Dhanyavad. Many many thanks, also called Bahut Bahut Dhanyavad. And thank you very much is also called Bahut Bahut Dhanyavad. You are welcome. In response sometimes we say you're welcome. So it means आपका स्वागत है, आपका स्वागत है. Sorry, excuse me, it is called माफ कीजिए, माफ कीजिए. Very good, बहुत अच्छा. Very good, बहुत अच्छा. Good is अच्छा, very is बहुत, बहुत अच्छा. Listen, sometimes we say someone listen, hey listen, so it means in Hindi सुनिए. Okay, okay, for every talk you used to say okay, okay, so in Hindi we say ठीक है, ठीक है. Now when you are going to meet someone, so you ask something, you say something. So these are the basic things only. How you can ask in Hindi few things. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? What means क्या, is है, your आपका, name नाम. आपका नाम क्या है? Here you might think how this is like आपका नाम क्या है. So in Hindi we follow SOV structure, SOV syntax. First we take subject, then we take object, and at the end we take verb, to be verb or main verb. Okay, so subject, object and verb. This will be the structure in Hindi, not like in English. Okay, verb will come at the end. So here the helping verb or to be verb is, that means hai, so it is going in the last. And if there is any question word, that question word will come before this to be verb. Like what means kya, so kya is before this hai. Okay, आपका नाम, your name is subject here. So subject, object, verb. आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Now I am Renu. You can respond like this. What is your name? You can take it here. I am Renu. I, again I am, I told you मैं हूँ, and in between I will put Renu because I told you subject, verb, subject, object and verb. Verb is हूँ here. मैं Renu हूँ. How are you? Next question you might ask. How is कैसे, are हैं, and you आप. So subject and object and verb. आप कैसे हैं? Question word I told you will come before the to be verb. To be verb is हैं, are. Okay. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? You can say I am fine and you. I am मैं हूँ, fine is ठीक, मैं ठीक हूँ. And you can have the cross question, and is or आप, you, or आप, मैं ठीक हूँ और आप. This is a question, cross question. The person is in response is saying I am also fine. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. So here also means भी and fine means ठीक. So मैं भी ठीक हूँ. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Again मैं subject हूँ, verb at the end, subject at the first, and rest of the things in between. What is going on? Like sometimes when we meet someone, so we usually ask what is going on. So in Hindi how we ask this? We say क्या चल रहा है, और we also can say क्या हो रहा है. क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. Okay, so here I am just telling you as a phrase. Later on everything we will discuss one by one or step by steps. So because this is about meet and greet, so few questions or few things I am telling you how to speak in Hindi. Then when the person is saying what is going on, क्या चल रहा है, in response we can say nothing important or anything we can say, but usually we say like nothing important. कुछ खास नहीं. Important is खास. Nothing means कुछ नहीं. Together कुछ नहीं. But when there is important, we will put that in between. कुछ खास नहीं. So at the end we usually say nice to meet you. So it is also a kind of phrase. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. In Hindi we used to say like this. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. This is not literal meaning of nice to meet you, but kind of phrase. You have to learn it. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Then we say see you again or see you later. It means in Hindi फिर मिलेंगे. Later and again for both फिर मिलेंगे. See you again, फिर मिलेंगे. See you later, फिर मिलेंगे. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow is कल मिलेंगे. कल मिलेंगे. See you soon. Soon is जल्दी. Soon is जल्दी. जल्दी मिलेंगे. Then we say bye. So bye usually say in Hindi bye, but sometimes we also can say alvida. You must remember both. You can say bye also and you can say alvida. So I hope you find the lecture important, and this lesson is important for both who wants to learn Hindi as well as who wants to learn English, because all the things are written in Hindi, English and English in all three types. Okay, so for next lesson just subscribe the channel, and you can also follow me on the Instagram, on the Facebook, and for 101 lesson you can contact me on my email address or you can message me on my Skype address. So thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. See you soon. जल्दी मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.